Hey y'all, welcome to Miss Clarke's chemistry class. In this video, we're going to talk about isotopes. Atoms, remember, neutral charge because protons and electrons are equal. Ions have a charge because protons and electrons are not equal. But what about those neutrons? We're going to talk about neutrons in this video. Isotope deals with different numbers of neutrons. We don't talk about a charge or anything because remember, neutrons are neutral. Neutral neutrons. Isotopes are different versions of the same element. And remember, it's the same element because the proton numbers don't change, just the neutrons. Since atoms can have different number of neutrons, that means they can have different mass numbers. An isotope are two atoms with different mass numbers because one atom's going to have one number of neutrons, the other atom is going to have a different number of neutrons. Protons don't change, only neutrons. Let's look at two ways that we can show isotopes. The first way we can show an isotope is using dash notation. Dash notation is just the name of the element, a dash, and then the mass number. Each isotope is going to have a different mass number. These examples, we have oxygen 16, oxygen 18. Oxygen, because we've got 8 protons, and then different mass numbers because the neutron number is different. The second way we show isotopes is with this called isotopic notation. Here we're just using a generic formula. Remember, A is mass number, so the mass number is the superscript, and the atomic number is the subscript, and then we've got an X just for our generic element symbol. Here's our isotopic notation for the two isotopes of oxygen that we looked at for the dash notation. And you can see the mass numbers are on top, the superscript, the atomic number is on bottom, the subscript, and then we used the letter O because that is oxygen's symbol. We should be pros now at telling the difference between atoms, ions, and isotopes. You know what to do next. Press the like button, press the subscribe button if you haven't already, and leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, bye y'all.